Previously, we have seen 5 amazing juices for weight loss without using sugar and milk. In this video, I am showing 5 different types of tea. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more tasty and healthy food videos. Number 5. Saffron tea with saffron, tea powder, sugar, cardamoms and milk. Once 1 cup of water is boiled, add 10 to 15 strands of saffron, 4 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of tea powder. Simmer for 5 minutes. Now, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 cup of milk. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Finally, saffron tea is ready. The entire process will take 10 minutes for better taste. Number 4. Irani chai with tea powder, sugar, cardamoms and milk. Once 1 cup of water is boiled, add 1 tablespoon of tea powder, 2 cardamoms. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cover with a lid to prevent steam out. Simmer for 8 minutes. Now, boil 1 cup of milk. Now, mix both. Finally, Irani chai is ready. The entire process will take 12 minutes for better taste. Number 3. Refreshing mint tea with refreshing mint, tea powder, sugar and cardamoms. Once 1 cup of water is boiled, add 2 cardamoms, refreshing mint, 1 tablespoon of tea powder. Simmer for 2 minutes. Now, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. Simmer for 2 minutes. Finally, refreshing mint tea is ready. The entire process will take 5 minutes for better taste. Number 2. Ginger tea with ginger, tea powder, sugar, cardamoms and milk. Once 1 cup of water is boiled, add ginger, 2 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of tea powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Simmer for 5 minutes. And 1 cup of milk. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Finally, ginger tea is ready. The entire process will take 8 minutes for better taste. Number 1. Indian spice tea with dry ginger powder, pepper, cinnamon, cardamoms and cloves. Once 1 cup of water is boiled, add pepper, cinnamon, cardamoms and cloves. Add dry ginger powder, one tablespoon of tea powder. Simmer for 3 minutes. Now, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Simmer for 2 minutes. Mix well. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix well. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Finally, Indian spice tea is ready. The entire process will take 10 minutes for better taste. These are the 5 different types of tea. In the coming up video, I will show how to make corn patties, which is one of the easy and healthy snacks for kids. Thank you for watching and following.